Combat lovers, Hamster Kombat Season 1 ends. Snapshot taken in the September 26 am at the UTC time. You can see in the Hamster Kombat announcement channel, snapshot is taken in that time, and you can see the Hamster Kombat game is make Season 2. You can play the game. In here you can see when we log into the Hamster Kombat Season 2 game, you can see the splash screen in the Season 1 is over. What's new in the Season 2? In the Season 2, all the keys were transformed into keys. In here you can see the profit for hour is changed to gems or diamond. In here start mining, you have some new cards. To get the new cards you need gems or diamond. First of all, in the earn section, you have some missions. You can earn diamonds. Click on this and earn diamonds. After that go to the playground, and in the new cards you can upgrade your card as before by using the gems or diamonds. In here the new features are they have added some mini game also there, and also they have added some more games and also mine cards. In here they will be low amount of gems. In here you can see in the memories your previous Season 1 achievements and memories are there. In here you can see how many days you are in the Hamster Kombat Season 1, how many cards you have upgraded, how many coins you have earned, and also many more. And also the include season is begins. In here you can see in the airdrop section you can deposit option deposit until the September 21. In the withdrawal section you can select the exchange and tokens are calculated are available soon. In here you can see Hamster Kombat new today. These are the games they are arrived. You can play and earn more airdrop points for the Season 2. In here you can see profit per hour is on gems or diamond. In here you can see there will be a small amount of diamonds per hour. And in my YouTube playlist you can see how to earn free keys using the key generator. It is little bit tricky. You will be get your account be risk. Please be cautious. And also in my Telegram channel, link in the video description, you can get free signal. In here in this group you can see all the updates are in the channel, and free signals, crypto signals, forex and other things. You can earn massive profits from this. Join the link in the video description. And also many airdrops, hot airdrops and agra airdrops and many more things you can learn and earn. Please join the Telegram channel, like and subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for future profit videos. Thank you.